Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome to another video. So people have been claiming that the Pixel 3a's cameras and video recording is trash with the Android 10 update. So I decided to make this video so you guys can kind of see. Personally, I don't think it is. But again, it's opinion, it's subjective, and I think that's really what it falls down to when it comes to cameras, is that it's subjective. Some people like their pictures punchy and overly saturated. Some people like theirs more organic and natural. So really it's all about preferences, and I think that's one thing that people get confused of, is like confusing your opinion with everyone else's opinion and thinking that your opinion is gospel. So I'm just going to say it straight up like that. So this is the front facing camera, and now I'm going to show you guys 30 frames at 1080p, 60 frames at 1080p, and 4K at 30 frames per second. Show you guys what the cameras look like. And it's not like it's shooting with a calculator or recording through a potato. Alright, so this this video shot is in 1080p at 30 frames per second on the Pixel 3a. This is also the audio on the Pixel 3a, so we're just going to go ahead and kind of take a look here. Now personally, I think when it comes to cameras, it's really subjective. People like what they like, and I think people kind of confuse that for what's trash and what's not trash. To me, it's trash if it looks like you're shooting it through a potato, or if you're recording with a calculator. So I'm just walking for stabilization. And then we'll just walk. And let's go to some color here. Now we're going to switch it up. We're going to go 60 frames. Now this is 1080p, 60 frames per second. And the audio on the Pixel 3a. And we'll just kind of go take a look at some colors here. Don't mind kids walking by because they're going to school. But here it is, and you can see a significant difference in 60 frames per second, but this is still 1080p. And just kind of walk with stabilization, see how that looks. Just kind of checking out the colors. 60 frames, 1080p. Now this is 4K at 30 frames per second. That's the highest frame rate it can go on 4K on the Pixel 3a. But here we go. Just kind of zoom in on some colors here. Like I said, cameras, video recording is mostly subjective when it comes to the user. That's my opinion. People say certain things are trash. Who knows? Let's get it to focus right here. Stabilization. And really? You guys tell me if this video is like super trash.